Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to convert an image to cartoon with Leonardo AI. First of all, open Leonardo AI's website and sign in with your account. Your dashboard or your feed will open. You can select any picture from your feed. For example, if you want to convert it into a cartoon, you can go to anime, you can go to character. If I go to character, for example, I have selected any picture. You can select any picture. I have selected this picture, and what you have to do is copy the prompt details. Once copied, select image to image. A new page will open. Then you have to click on your image and select this option. From here you have to upload your own image or whatever image that you want to convert into cartoon. For example, I will select this image. For example, this is the image and I want to convert that into a cartoonish version. So what I will do, I will drag and drop my picture into this section. Once my picture has been uploaded, what I will do, I will paste the prompt which I have just copied. This is the prompt. So we have to tweak a little settings from here. You can also tweak it a bit until you find your perfect picture. And then what I will do, I will simply click on generate. So it has created this image. I do not like this picture. So what I will do, I will dial down the strength to 0.25. You can always play around with the settings and check what pictures appeal you the most. So I have created some images with different settings. I have set it to 0.2, 0.5, 0.6, and this is the 0.6 version, this is the 0.5 version, this is the 0.4 version. So you can play around with these settings and select the picture which you like the most. For example, I like this picture a lot. If we compare this image with the original picture, it resembles a lot. And that's how you can convert your image to cartoon with Leonardo AI. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.